It was a man, Martin Strel, who swam Danube in 2000 with wetsuit and flip chart. Then in 2006, it was Mimi Hughes, Canadian woman who swam without flip chart but with wetsuit. And now I hope to manage this world premiere with no wetsuit and no flip chart. I have one man with kayaks, will follow me everywhere in the water, and I have one support team with that car who follow us and buy food, prepare something.
And you swim every day?
Every day, yes. Danube, I would say, unite Europe some way. It's very interesting feeling.
Right now we are in the tallest church in the world, in Ulm, in Germany. It is 161.5 meters tall.
Andreas, what's gonna happen today in Ulm?
First we go all together through the town, and there's the dance places, and then afterwards we go down to the Danube, and then it's the Fischerstechen. We row the boats with the boat drivers, and then we have the Fischerstecher with the long sticks, and they try to push each other down from the boat.
We're coming from Budapest and we're coming by train to Ljubljana. We don't have a car, so if we want to go to the mountains or the beach or something, then we can take the train, and then from there we can use the bike to, just do some travel with the bike.
And it's funny.
We are a family business already for 3 generations. We are doing with meat and meat processing, and we are doing those products that are typical for our region.
Look at that, it's even better. I cannot choose, it's perfect.
So one is not enough for you, huh?
No, I have to take 2.
Prekmurje ham is a product who belongs in the same group as prosciutto or jamon, serrano, yeah? But it's not as well known as this because we are not doing in such a big quantities. We need only salt, natural spices, and of course thyme. After the ham is drying 1 year, it is really proper taste after this, and you will taste later.
Šunka. Never remove the fat.
Never ever, huh?
Never ever.
Okay. We want.
At first I should say they are all good. They taste very good, but my personal favorite is the golden one, dry. Na zdravje. We say na zdravje.
Na zdravje. Na zdravje. Zdravje.
auf jeden Fall mein Arbeitsplatz. Ja, aber es ist so, ich habe einmal in jungen Jahren versucht, was anderes zu machen und das hat dann nicht geklappt. Also das Wasser selber, das Element, das ist schon etwas, was mein Leben geprägt hat und was ich irgendwie auch brauche.
Das Ding, was da sehen, das nennt sich Schlüsselbrett, war früher in der Station. Das ist da eingebaut worden. Das ist alles mechanisch. Im Endeffekt gebe ich mir den Schlüssel frei, damit ich die Weiche aufsperren kann. Mit dem kann ich es aufsperren und dann in die andere Richtung stellen.
Die Wachau-Bahn ist ein touristisches Produkt, oder? Das ist ja kein Linienverkehr mehr.
So ist es, genau so ist es. Wir fahren am Wochenende, Samstag, Sonntag, außer von Juli bis September jeden Tag, 3-mal hin und her.
Was der schönste Platz an der Donau ist für Sie?
Da von der Strecke her gesehen?
Überhaupt, an der Donau.
Die Ruine Ackstein.
Okay, Ackstein.
Das ist auf der linken Seite, bevor es Emmersdorf ist, oben eine Ruine.
Ja.
Ackstein. Wunderschön. Okay.
So, welcome to the Nature Park Kopackirit. The Nature Park is situated between the two rivers, Odrava and the Danube River. We are now on the territory of the Special Zoological Reserve, so no fishing and no hunting in this area is not allowed here.
Ourselves, we're from Oxford, but we've cycled from Munich. We like following rivers, really. So for this holiday, we've been following the Drava or the Drau. In 2013, we followed the whole length of the Danube, and Janto and Marius, my other son, they came to Budapest and went home, and my husband and I went the entire length to the Black Sea. I like following rivers because instead of choosing one holiday destination, you get this whole route and a whole change, and you just go with the flow of the river.
Delta este unică și frumusețea și mai ales bogăția acestei zone nu este de egalat și orice turist care are curajul să vină trebuie să vină să vadă exact cum e Delta, nu doar să treacă prin ea, și să cunoască locurile, obiceiurile și mai ales oamenii și natura.
Actually, we finally made it to the Delta, actually to the entrance gate of the Delta, the Dulce. And what are we doing now is we are testing, even before they open it, a new cycle route along a lake which is actually right in the city center.
coming from Germany. But it's funny because the source of the Danube, it's in Germany, and I was taking a small rowing boat, and then the really fresh part of the Danube, and being here now, it's really great for me to see it. And I will be really curious to see tomorrow how it's going into the Black Sea. And yeah, I think it will be really, really great.